Kaya ka ng gulay ate ha?
Scissors!
What? What's that? That's a scissors.
Ah? Oh.
Scissors ba yan? May shout out sa 3 viewers. Hmm? Kuha mo ko.
Ha?
Hmm.
Ala? Kuha ka? Mamaya. Ito. Main ka. Hindi yung ganyan-ganyan lang. Buwang kita gamit yung sandok. Ah. Ah. Hmm.
Hi, Ma'am Dalia, shout out. Good evening po. Salamat po sa pagpasyal. Support from Team Bingo, Warrior Founder, Gina Lakman. Hello po sa ano.
You're ridiculous. We've done nothing wrong. We raised her and everything.
Joel, you've totally been duped by her. The only way to fix everything is to bring Jane back and make it up to her.
No way. She had it coming. If we take her back, she will go out of control.
Don't you remember what she did to Clara the day she left? What would happen to Clara if she's back right now?
That's right, Dad.
Jeremy and I are part of the family. We would hurt our own. Come on, Joel. They won't listen. Let's go.
Shout out po.
Those two are so ungrateful. It's all that little Rich fault. Total sell-up. Look what they have done to our family. Do something.
Come on. We have no other options. Bringing Jane back. Please, save the crisis.
Fine. Take her back then. I will deal with her. Will Mitch. Jane Sanders. I will finish this family.
No? Ay, na doon.
Mr. Graham, the paternity test reports here. I confirm with the doctor. Mr. and Mrs. Sanders are Jane's biological parents. Where is she? She's in a meeting at Pinnacle. Do you want me to call her? No, don't worry.
Oh, hindi.
Start the marketing plan for the next 2 quarters. And also, increase our product display shelves by 30% from the current amount in 4 more major stores. That's all for today, everyone. Meeting adjourned.
I'm so tired. Sobo na nga, oh. Ikaw nga lang tagal eh. Galit ka pa. Ayos ka.
Sabi?
Sobo. Tama na sa boy!
How should I repay you?
Gumagaya ka na kay Belinda, ha? Yan na!
What is it?
Sige, tignan mo.
Test. You are Will Sanders.
Kaya kang gulay na. Para lalo kang tumalino. Ay, kaya gulay. Gulay.
I've known it for a while.
Why don't you tell them?
It won't make any difference. They'll just think I'm lying because I'm desperate for their attention.
It must have been different.
I have grown used to it. What are you doing?
You look sad. Thought you might need a loving hug.
Mr. Graham, you know how childish you look right now?
Isn't this the part where women usually want someone to lean on? Here, I'm all yours.
Cut it out.
Ito?
Sleep over.
Ngayon, kain po.
Oh, yeah. I haven't leaned on anyone for a long time now.
Ay. Ang ganda naman ito.
Reach Jane. Tell them to bring her home.
I need to see you today.
How can I help you this time?
Keep your voice down. I don't want anyone recognizing me.
Cut it out. We go way back. Drop the process act. I know exactly.
Get your foot ahead of me.
Remember, your real parents asked me to fake the DNA test and didn't give me a penny. But the money.
Be quiet. Bro, didn't I already get some money from the Sanders family? Once I logged in my place as the errors, I'll make sure you get your cut.
Hey!
What do you want me to do?
Fine. That bitch, Jane Sanders. Make sure she cannot mess with my life as the Sanders heiress.
If you are on, I can make her this.
Deal? What should we do?
Hoy, kainin mo na yan.
Fine. I'll find an excuse to get her alone.
Ah,
Ha?
mukha naman yan eh.
Eat ka.
Time
Ah.
flies. The little girl who used to follow us around has grown so much. Yeah.
Galit po. Ano ba?
Jeremy, you're back already.
Why are you still up so late?
I want to work with you in the
Ganda
future.
yan.
You're a brilliant
Ganda yan.
man. I'll work hard and make sure I won't hold you
Ganda
back.
yan.
Get some sleep.
Tuloy-tuloy ko yung kamukha niyo kanina ko. Sumangot pa. Pag ikaw, iniwan ko sa palengke, hindi ka na talaga makabalik sa bahay.
Ganda yan.
Home and act like you're working hard to impress
Yung orti ko maglakad.
It's not like that at all.
Look how hard Clara
Tara yan
She
eh.
finishes her own way ahead of you.
Tuloy-tuloy mo.
Ay,
Tingnan kita kayo mga.
impress us putting the real
Mana mo ano sa mama niyo.
you anywhere. You're nothing compared to Clara.
Bakit?
Not like that.
Ngayon lang ba pwede magsumbong? Hoy!
No,
Ay, matapos yung kanay mo gaganyan-ganyan ka pa.
we shouldn't have given her the call
Ay, dyan na.
just because Clara gave
Kumain ka na. Tingnan mo si Mark dyan, oh. Hindi na pinag-hiwa-hiwa yung gulay.
There's another Miss Sanders downstairs. She is your sister. What is she doing here? Excuse me. Do you have an appointment?
We're here for Miss Sanders. We're her brothers. Do we really need an appointment?
Are you really Miss Sanders' brothers?
Of course. Just let us in.
Well, I'm sorry. Miss Sanders is out meeting another Sanders lady. I heard it's her sister.
After what happened, why is Clara here? It doesn't make sense. Where did they go?
Nice!
Go ahead. What do you want? Sanders. Just. I know exactly. So sit down. Let me those public hands and Jade Sanders. Trust me. I really do. I want to apologize to you. This is my identity. I've been trying to make princess of that. I don't want to hurt you. Now I'll be constant. Is that clear? I can't let the guys find out I'm planted. Watch out, Jade.
Penguin!
Ah,
What the fuck? Stop it! Jeremy, leave that. Clara. How's Clara doing? Don't worry, Dad. She'll be fine. It's you again. If anything happens to my daughter, I will kill you. If anything happens to Clara, I won't let you off the hook.
If I had known, you'd turn to be a dreadful snake. You've brought us nothing but trouble. You people never change. You don't even bother to get the facts straight. Just dump all the blame on me. Blame me for whatever happens to Clara.
What do you have to say? If it hadn't been for you, she would have been hit by that car. Why are you
Yes!
while she's
Oh.
lying in there? Tell me
Yes!
Why should I take the hit for her? She brought it.
got hit by a car, but it's not Jade's fault.
Not her fault. Clara is such a sweet girl. She'd never go with her without telling us. She must have been left there and then got hit. Jen Sanders is behind it. I'm done talking to you idiots.
Mom, you're wrong. It was Clara who wants to see Jade. Nurse, how's my sister doing?
Are you family? The patient's in a critical condition. She needs blood from her relative. Take mine.
Mine too. And mine. I'll do it. I'm her brother. Take my blood. Take my blood.
Patient needs a lot of blood. I'll love you to come with me for testing.
Sure. Jade. Wait up. It will be fine. I'm going for the test now.
Jeremy Sanders. I don't worry about her. But you tell me, if I was the one who got hit, would you all be rushing to donate blood for me?
We are not blood related.
So stupid of me. So you would leave with us with that question.
One.
You can't leave.
Let me go. Why can't I leave it?
Nine.
Listen. If anything happens to Mara, you can walk away from it. You can
Ano yung dibilin? Dami ko tiya.
until the operation
Wala ko kakain nga ng gulay.
Go.
I'll make sure you spend the rest of your life behind bars.
Oh. Ano yan, dahilan na naman.
Does it have to do with
Nine.
behind bars? See if I care.
Gulay ang pinapakain ko sa'yo, tapos yung baboy.
Aren't you the patient's family?
Okay.
None of your blood types match.
Ito lang pinakain sa'yo.
I'm her biological father. How can our blood type not match? Nurse, is there some kind of mistake?
I don't think so. You're all type A.
Maria.
The patient Clara Sanders is type B. What? No way.
Yes. Does that mean Clarice not my real daughter? Absolutely not. The paternity test report is still at home. You must have made a mistake. Nurse, anyways, save my daughter first. We are loaded. Please save her at any cost.
Nine.
Yes, huh? Really?
Go.
The Sanders mansion? I made myself pretty clear. I have nothing else to say.
Come on, Jade. I know nothing I say will change your mind. But
Ah.
I still hope you can give me a second chance.
Did I get a second chance?
Jade. Jade.
By the way, I might go back to Sanders mansion later. Don't get me wrong. I just need to grab my stuff. I have nothing to do with you. Nothing at all. So leave me alone.
Jeremy, what should we do now? It doesn't seem like Jade will ever come home. Joel, do you feel that Jade is more like our sister than Clara? You mean Jade is our biological sister? I'm not sure. It's just my gut feeling. But we'll find it out soon. Jeremy, you mean? I just want you to come home with me. I promise. If you come home, you can have my room, and no one will wrong you again. About the past, I made some horrible mistakes. Please forgive me, okay?
Jane Sanders, put yourself together. You cannot go soft right now.
Ah.
Mr. Crab, what are you holding?
I rushed to the hospital as soon as I heard what the incident.
Yeah, to Brenda shout out. SFP, hello. Thank you so much for visiting.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
So, you see, I might be leaving the country soon.
Leave the country.
Yeah, to study abroad.
Ulay yan. Iyan ba mo eh.
Reaction.
Is there anything I can help you with?
You were a different person when we first met each other. Are you available tomorrow? I'm going to the Sanders Mansion. I just want to.
Okay lang yun ay mo
Take
doon.
my stuff.
Si Brenda, thank you.
You didn't manage to kill that
Wala ka.
bitch. Instead, you got me stuck in hospital for days. Why the hell should I pay you?
Inunti ko lang kasi kay ano pa nga yung tiyan ko. Tom.
I was just putting on a show for my brothers.
Welcome. Nakawin na si Tol Project. Si Brenda.
I warn you. If you
Grab the
don't,
fly!
I'll take you down with me. Clara, what were you saying? What kind of rest? Clara, what were you saying? What kind of rest? Mom, back at the hospital, I overheard you saying that you think I'm gonna be your biological daughter. So I figured I'd get someone to run another test. Oh, my sweetie, don't worry.
Ah!
Jasper looked into it. He said that it's normal for children to have a different blood type.
Yeah, Clara, do not worry. You're awesome. You're definitely mom and dad's daughter and my little sister.
Waray man makasulod
Poor Clara.
na hubog. Ayun lang. Sabi ko na nga ba kagabi eh. Hindi yan makakapasok eh. Malalasing yan eh.
Mom, Dad, Principal Wells is here. Principal Wells, hey, come on in.
May sabi ko na nga ba, may pagkano talaga yung bunganga ko. Hindi kakapasok yan si Tol Pobre, Tol Project, kay lasing yan, malalasing yan. Totoo nga. Hindi yan na nga pasok.
University. Here. This is the admission
Hey!
scholarship as well. I brought it over for you.
Congratulations, my honey. Why didn't you tell me sooner?
Yeah, Clara, you got into
Nice.
Fortis University and even got a full scholarship. That's
Maray
impressive.
ka magkamali. Oo,
That's just incredible.
totoo te.
Come on. Contact Principal Wells. It's so kind of him to personally deliver the admission letter. Hurry up.
Matigo ka.
This is my daughter, Clara Sanders. Clara Sanders. Yeah, Clara Sanders.
Upe ka din yan isga niya, ano,
Don't you recognize
iya,
Make mistake, Mr. Sanders. I was talking about your other daughter. Yeah. Don't you?
nag-react si Idol Jim. Sa comment ko, sabi ko, musit ka Idol, akala ko naman magpapayo ka na sa amin. Aray ko. Tawa siya.
Sanders. Did you say there
Tinawanan niya lang.
It's not like I want to. I just don't want some thief to snatch my stuff. Who are you calling a thief? Jane, I wasn't trying to snatch it. You were busted already.
what's going on?
Sa Idol ko.
Your daughter?
Sa Idol.
Not long ago, I cut ties with everyone in this family.
Principal Wells, are you saying that admission letter is Jane Sanders? Exactly.
How's that even
Parang ako lang ata yung inanuhan niya rin-replyan ng ganun ah.
school? We only ever paid tuition.
Dami yung nag-comment, ako lang yung
Was never there.
ito meron.
School.
Si Jackal.
Exactly, Principal Wells. Did she fool you too? She's been a liar and a bully since she was little. I think she got jealous, Clara, and now wants to steal her admission letter. Jane Sanders, you are truly shameless.
So you all knew I went to a book school.
Yay!
Look at this. Whose name is on the letter?
Ow!
Maram ko man, bossing.
You have never been to that university. Why is your
Balit wala yung daw sila masyadong gawa ngayon. Ah,
Another picture tuition.
ako, nakutot. Mayroon siya ano. Ano man ito, may tagay na naman te.
You didn't pay my tuition, but I can make money myself. Do you think I can survive without your money? You've been slacking off all day, and nowhere near as sharp as Clara. How could you get into such a prestigious uni? You know what? The letter must be fake.
That's right. It has to be fake. Jade Sanders, you have got some nerve to fake an admission letter and lie to my face.
Waray anay tagay. Mula. Tama lang yan. Walang nainom kay pag nag-inom na naman yan. Lashing na naman yan. Lashing.
Your fake ass letter. You're embarrassing yourself. It's definitely not fake. Jade is my student. I know exactly how smart and hardworking she is. She is nothing like you described.
Sir, you've been fooled. She's always been a poser.
Yeah, we have lived
Ah.
with her long enough to know what kind of person she is.
Andam.
Nonsense.
Matatapos na lang ako gawin na.
She was hardworking at school and even worked part-time.
Baka hindi nanulat makasunod buwas.
Sa mga lahat eh, dyan.
Tanggal ka na ito.
Wanted to raise some money.
Pag di ka nakasunod buwas.
It's only today that I learned she's actually the daughter of the Prince Sanders family. Exactly. Jade's determination is truly admirable. Even I can't imagine you're her family. How could you slander her and wrong her like this? Well done, Jade Sanders. You have ruined our family name in front of everyone. Oh!
Stop being dramatic. All I did was work very hard for my future. As for your family name, you brought it upon yourselves. Don't pin it on me.
She's been through. You totally ignored it. Here you are saying working part-time.
Waray na nga ako kami kakaon. Yun lang.
This is just between us and Jade. Who are you to point fingers?
Bakit? Ba't di rin ka nag-ano nga dati tiyo?
It's all in the
Ano, dito tiyo gawas na magtinda-tinda ba?
Why?
Jade Sanders, you want to talk.
Ano may espasyo ito na doon?
By and try to snatch things that
Puro
belong to
absent.
Clara. We are doing you a favor by not teaching you
Ay, tal Billy Grade, shout out.
our top student.
Nakapag-live ka ba?
They are both your daughters. You treated so everything at home. You think this is
Shout out sa'yo, shout out.
Sir,
Kumusta?
through this, the Jade Sanders.
whether you
Oh.
isn't your biological daughter. Principal, here's the truth. Jade Sanders was adopted. A few years ago, we found our biological daughter, Clara.
Evening all, shout out. Well, Greg, thank you so much.
Even cutting up her new clothes on the spite. We were out of business.
Sos, may da ito nag-iisog na daw gawas ng nagpisto. Ayun lang. Wala.
Yeah, Principal.
Pag may nagpisto ng gawas, ano?
She stole from the house. Clara caught her red-handed, but she pushed Clara to the ground. When we walked in, she slapped her. Tell me, how can we possibly be head to someone so malicious?
Tamsak to. Salamat sa patamsak. Akala siya ang may-ari ng kalsada. Muna. Maganda sana dyan sa ano nyo sa labas. Yung dun sa may gate. Magtinda-tindahan.
You don't have to say it. Jade, don't hit me.
Kung napagtindala, mahilig ako din yan.
Hurting my daughter? I'll teach you a lesson. It wasn't me, was it you?
Ay, ano man, mga waray good kayo. Mga mahilig man to maghanap buhay. At matyaga sa mga pagtitinda.
Shadow Fruits.
Source quite vivid.
Ah.
I thought she only had certain cold and lack of love. I didn't realize she also suffers such humiliation.
So tell me, who was the real thief? How did she fall from the stairs that day? You better tell me the truth from her. What now? Trying to threaten her? We saw it with our own eyes. You can't deny it. I'm done talking to you. You, Clara Sanders, come on. Tell everyone now what's the real thing. Jake, I don't know.
Shout out po.
Anything. Please don't force me. Clara's a good girl. Like
Oo, maganda nga doon. Pero may nagpwesto ito nga naging kaaway ang tindahan dito kanto. Kay baga iya tag iya.
She's the sweetest girl.
Naawalad to. Pag pag gano'n ng tirada, ingit yun.
It's just that
Ang nananaig sa kanyang
we didn't want her to be bullied.
buhay. Buhay?
We give her a bit more care and protection.
yes, sir. Clara is really sweet. She's thoughtful too. There must be some kind of mistake. Maybe you should double check. It should have been Clara who got admitted.
You are Clara Sanders. Haven't you been expelled? You are Clara Sanders.
May isog ito nga may tindahan ha. Kanto o naawa ka man. Naawa. Kay awanon. Gusto hiyalat magtinda. Para ito na sinso. Pag sugar. Kung maawanong ka ha, mga tao na nagtitinda, waray sinsuhan ito ha. Waray grasya. May grasya man. Pero panalagsala. Diri good hiya Diri good hiya baon hiya out. Parang ako dati, baon sa utang. Ibo ko lang kay itataklawas na dagko. Kasi ang salit waray na iya napalit waray ng nasulid na tindahan. Amo na. Karma is real. Amo ito pag mga awanong ka, gusto nimo ikaw lat may ayda, ikaw lat maadam magtitinda tapos ayaw may makaagaw kang katindahon. So, di mo nimo palingki. Di mo nimo yung karsada. Di mo imo balay pinagtitindahan. Oy, kasi please shout out. Si Biboy wala pa, hindi pa pumasok. Ngatanan man ada may utang dis. Kami mga may utang man. Tama. Ako nangutang gihapon. Nangutang ako ng items ngayon. Karaoke. Ano ba na? So, pagkita ko lang yun. Pinutang na ako. Gamitin ko yun speaker ba? Speaker. Karaoke box. Gamitin ko pag birthday na ako, baka may dumayo nga din na magpag-inom. Magpainom ba?
Clara was expelled?
SFP, hello. Oy, B-boy, andyan ka na pala.
Clara, is there some misunderstanding? Principals,
SFP, diri ako matuod na itaw waray utang. Tinuod. Kahit nga mga malalaking negosyante may utang. Kita pa yung mga good na kita.
Clara was expelled 2 years ago. There's no mistake. Tell me, well, is that work fake? And were you really expelled with the principal's
Wow, may pang-video okay ka na kasi yung namin, yung amplifier, si Raman. Parang ito naman ang uso yan na gamitin ba? Yung speaker. Kaya, sakain mo na ito. Kaya B-boy, hello.
couldn't care less about school, skipping classes, drinking, dating. She didn't miss out on any of it.
Sir, please stop.
Let's talk. I'd like to see just how many lies
Oy, sagani shout out. Kaya B-boy, hello. Ope nga agad isang kayo. Oy, no, pagyapon na yun.
are nothing but slander. We will hold them accountable.
Asya na. Milyon pa ito. Mga utang ni Raaton, gudti la. Gadla, muna. Boom, tusok. Salamat sa tamsak. Guys, patamsak naman, B-boy. At Sagani, tamsak naman dyan.
And especially, the way she treated Jade was beyond outrageous. Clara brags about her family's
Ate Melody, hello, good evening.
and does terrible things. I was wondering,
Good evening, Team Boom.
raised like your child.
Team Tacloban, maraming salamat po. 4 viewers at 3 tamsak sa
To
to.
be honest, I'm not even surprised.
Ah,
Kuya Isagani, hello.
Can produce such an
Hi, Sangkay Brenda. From Isagani. Melody from B-boy.
It's getting late. We gotta go.
This way, please.
Salamat Sangkay B-boy. Ate Brenda, hello.
Tell me, was that true? What's going on?
Ay, Ate Brenda tuloy. Ate Melody, hello.
Exactly how sweet Clara is. Well, I think it's all her fault. It's her scheme. She wants us to misunderstand Clara and turns us against each other. Mom,
That's right. It must be her fault. She made them see it. So I should. She wasn't mother-in-law. Wait, she didn't fall for that. Mom, you're right.
Kuya Boom.
Like her doing.
PLBC. Hello, Kulit.
It's not hard to believe she's
Nandito si Kulit. B-boy, shout out. Nandito yung anak ko. Makulit-kulit na.
Jade must have bribed them. This letter me. You know me well. I'd never decide.
Andyan pa ang pamangkin ni P. Oh, andito pa. Andito pa, te. Sulod pa man niya. Na school pa naman.
tingnan mo to, oh.
Hi, Mads. Melody.
Eh, dan ko. Na kayong likod. Yung ganyan, ano mo naman nawong, ha?
I am the chair of Pinnacle Enterprises. Why would I even bother sparing Trumhouse land? Just not worth it.
It is yours? It's mine.
Mr. Graham.
Hi, Maria Faye from Isagani.
It's mine. It's mine. Sa gari. Kain na
Okay,
kayo.
ito may kamulay team anak. Ano man, diri nga nag-aaway.
Jade said,
Diri man. Panalag sala.
"It scared me off, do you?
Iniisgan man hirtiya.
I put up with you long enough.
Mga ano.
You're still talking trash about Clara.
Okay, iniisgan man hirin duha pag
Whatever.
nag-aaway.
Hold on. What is it now? Jed Sanders, remember, it wasn't our fault that the nanny switched you and Clara. We've been nice to you. We brought you up. Ever since Clara came back, you've been jealous that she was loved more. I was jealous of her? You bullied her and slandered her. Jed Sanders, what has Clara done to you?
Amo, pinanap natuod. Oo, natuod mo ko. Lalo na si Mark dyan, pag nagalit si Pe,
This time, what else do you want from her?
tiklop agad si Mark dyan.
Apologize to her. Else, I will let you go. You're telling me I bullied her and beat her and slandered her?
Yeah, we can forget about the past. But Clara got hit by a car for you, and you stormed in today to humiliate her. You got to apologize.
Hang on. Let's clear it up. I don't envy Clara. I don't give a crap about this family. Your so-called love means nothing to me. Everything Clara's gone through is her own fault and no one else's. So come on.
Salamat sa 3 viewers. Isagani shout out.
Jasper,
Mapapalo agad. Amo na.
I was just hit by a car.
Hindi ka lang shout out Team Boom from Sagani. Ano, Sagato, salamat ah. Nagkakapag-live ka na ba Sagato?
Clara, she caused your accident. No, she has to apologize. Jasper Sanders, you bumped your head when you were in the middle of something. Huh? No. Then why do you act like a total idiot? She is being fake, did you tell me? Or are all of these actions just a project? No, Graham. I respect you out of courtesy.
Nalagdos ka niyang B-boy, tawa ka ng tawa.
Jade is my girlfriend. She doesn't want to apologize. What in the world can force her to?
Oo,
Ay, puno
pag
pa nga yung bunganga mo.
bata pa, hadlok it pag anak para diri maato. Amo na. Diri pa isang kay mga agyo. Bakit di pa? Hindi pa.
Nonsense. Let it be clear who's getting up on you. Jane Sanders. Please don't talk to mom and dad like that. Nolan
Hindi ko
is
pa
an
na mo.
outsider.
Hindi ko pa nakapag...
Pero kung,
Settle this
kung
with
gamay na lang maluto, tapuko na.
not your family. Don't try to close it to me. Liz Clara is a sweet girl. She's the
Hindi ka pa ano?
Sanders family. Unlike
Hindi mo
some
pa ba na
bearing her fangs.
verify yung ano mo?
Finally, the
Ano
moment
yan?
she's of age.
Okay, bigas ka mo.
Ilan na rin subscriber mo? 126 na. Ano? Na-subscribe na ako sa'yo eh. Wala pa rin.
Kaon ka ba? Sige ka mo, talk-talking mo siya.
What for?
Still watching Mark Joe. Thank you.
Nandyan. You put it there.
Just hold on for a second.
This Asia, he always watching,
Let her go. She's
commenting.
anyway.
It's hilarious. That's for sure. English mo yun. Asa ito ya permila sige tawa comment malagdos ito sigurado. Verify na nga ni pero ba't tayo mo mag ads? Kay Rigor shout out. Di rin maaram kung kay ano di rin maaram. Nagka-dyan. 6 viewers shout out at 5 thumbs up. Hindi ko sa'yo yan.
Has to be a mistake.
Spray ko? Ayan na. 6 viewers, thank you. Maraming salamat.
So the nanny didn't switch them. I don't know why the previous report said Clara was our real family.
Oh! Kulang pa yata sa views. Ah, hindi. Na-verify na pero hindi pa siya makapag-live.
What are you guys doing here?
Upload ka ng mga long video. May mga upload na ako short video. Long video nga ni ang uploadan mo.
Ikaw ang bumilis dyan.
Why ilang. Shout out. Padaan Mark Jo. Thumbs up. Salamat po. Naka-live din si Tatay Alex eh.
Dalawa.
Shout out po sa lahat.
Pila mo na 10, ubos na yan.
Sige po. Ay, 7 viewers na tayo guys. Thank you po.
Tatlo.
At 7 thumbs up. Salamat.
Bakit ganyan kaliit yung laman ng kutsara, hindi damihan? Mauubos agad yan?
I'm sorry, Jeremy. It's all my fault.
Katatapos lang niya mag-live. Mark Jo. Katapos lang ba? Hey Brenda, thank you.
Kain ko yan.
Aray po.
Pasipat naman yung mataron.
It's her choice. Besides, I've been nice to her anyways.
Look at Clara. So nice, so sweet, so pure. Nothing like that rat. All she ever does is piss me off.
Pag silang bimbilisan, tapos lalo pang binabagalan.
I want to show you the new clothes I got you. Alright, let's go.
Brenda, thank you po. Musta tinda mo Mark Jo? Ay, nakaubos naman po.
We're so clueless. You know what? Every word Clara Sanders says disgusts me. I feel like there's something fishy about her report.
Ilang ang pag gagalitin para mag-wain.
Okay naman ang tinda. Nakaubos naman. 10 sa yote tininda ko, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi tinabad ako kanina mag-vlog kasi matumal.
Kinaan.
Nung paggabi na yun, medyo
May mga
mabili
blocks
na.
na naman dyan, oh.
Uminta naman nung gabi, nakaubos. Pinaubos ko
Yaman
na.
dito.
Umuwi ako mga ano na,
Niligpit na ni Mark yung iba.
7:40 yata. Rico.
Sura na yung mata.
The Melody, shout out. 6 viewers, thank you po. Paano ba yan? Iiwanan ko na naman kayo guys. Lalabas pala ako. Kukuha akong paninda ko. 1 oras na pala ako. 46 minutes na pala tayo guys. Mag-1 oras na.
Sayang mo na naman yung alcohol. Sinasayang mo na naman yan.
Ano tinda mo bukas? Yang. Hindi ko po alam kung sayote or kamatis. Kasi yun lang naman po ang
Bigay mo nga yan dito ng...
paninda dyan sa ano. Maraming paninda si Boss Brian. Kaso hindi ko sinusubukan yung ibang mga paninda. Kung ano lang pinagkakakitaan natin, yun ang tinitinda natin. Kasi
Speaker mo dito.
para naman may ano tayo, mabawi agad yung puhunan.
Suntukin kita dito.
Okay. Salamat po sa inyong lahat sa pagpunta. Paano ba yan? Alis muna tayo guys. O tayong paninda. Ano ko lang to. I-mute ko tsaka huwag po yung camera. Kasi baka paglaro ni Mark yan. Thank you so much sa lahat ng pumunta. Bye-bye. Pero di pa ako mag-end. Hayaan ko lang ito naka-live. Kasi para dagdag sa ano. Sa ads. Magka-ads ba? Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Brenda, maraming salamat. Oy, Katano. Babay na din. Bye din. Bye na din muna tol. Uwi na ako. Sige, ingat. Ma'am, why ilang shout out. May galaw shout out. Good evening. Katano, shout out Katano. Hi Katano. Okay, why ilang. Boss B-Boy, may galaw shout out. Sabi ni Katano TV. Adel Katano, shout out. Kumusta? Kumusta ha? Salamat po sa pagpasyal. Hilay mo doon. Hilain mo lang. Salamat po sa inyo. Driving na tol. Bye tol. Sige, ingat. Katano, salamat. Tamsak dan. Oy, kay Sunny, shout out. Salamat kay Sunny. 6 viewers at 8 thumbs up. Maraming salamat po. Paano ba yan? Alis muna ako ha. Ingat Katano. Hi po, Boss B-Boy from Y ilang. Nalit ka-upload lang. Sunny, hi from Y ilang. Ayan. Naubusan kasi ng bala. Ingat. Salamat sa inyo. Alis muna ako guys. Bye-bye. Ingat kayong lahat. Oy, Alimark, shout out Alimark. Labas muna ako. Punta ako ng palengke. Kuha ko ng paninda ko para bukas. I love you all. Team Boom, love you all. Salamat sa lahat. Pasyalan nyo muna yung mga kaibigan natin dyan na nagla-live. At ano, may galaw shout out. Manay Brenda, may galaw shout out. Alimar, thank you so much, Alimar. Ingat. Salamat, salamat.
Nandito ako, bakit? Tao? Nandito ako. Ano ba hinahanap mong tao? Saan tao dito? Nandito ako sa likod mo hinahanap. Saan tao dito? Sending support, Eugene Rebellion Live, shout out. Sending support, Eugene Rebellion. Pobreng worker, shout out sa iyo, tol. Anong ginagawa mo ngayon, tol? Abit naman yan, parang nakikipagtago-taguan ka na sa amin. Oo, parang gano'n na nga. Hanapin mo ako kung nasaan ako. Kung mahanap mo ako, may sandan ka.
Ano nangyari pa ba? Salita mo isang pa.
Maghanap ka. Kung makita
Bakit
mo
nasa
ako,
ulan na naman
may
kita?
sandan
Babalik
ka.
ka doon sa ulan mo. Bumalik ka doon sa ulan mo.
Ayaw ko 100 daan lang. Eh di wag. Paano ka sa buhay mo? Maghanap ka.
Matulog ka na. Why you didn't close the door? I told you to close the door. You're not following me.
Barat. Medyo wag.
Likot-likot mo, magigising mo na naman yan si ate.
Yo, bagi suara idol. Dulu jadi Garing. Mereka yang tiga ada atur. Kawan ada.
Boom, boom.
Ngalat mo na? Ha? Aray.
Sisiraan na ng ano.
Why you're playing my hair? I told you to sleep na. Late na. Mag-sleep ka. Tugas unan mo. Hindi ka nakikita. Sabi ko umalis ka dyan sa unan. Mataas yan.
Rodan. Ito po.
Sobra. Lagat may blanket. Wait. Matulog ka na. Huwag mo tinatawanan, hindi ako nagkuklukuhan sa'yo.
Hardcore.
Shows the 3-year-old sailor shooting at a vehicle from his house just after it. Moments later, a masked man is seen creeping up to the door, aiming a weapon. Chris Paul, man.
Okay.
Marcos. Live na sa Pasig City. Balita si Zero. Zero, anong paliwanag ng vlogger? Surgically for the yan ang ginamit ng vlogger na si Jack Arcota. Kaya nag-post siya ng peking medical records ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Anya, hindi naman verified itong dokumento na ito at ginamitan niya ng AI. Kaya naman, ipinasabihan siya ng NBI at kanina umarap siya sa tanggapan ng Cybercrime Division. Nagsorry si Arcota na pinadala lang siya ng kanyang emosyon. Pakinggan natin ang bahagi ng kwento na yan ng vlogger. May mali ako. Ako, no? Pero, hindi mo alam na talaga. Ang dami nag-post, eh. Wala ko mag-post, eh. Ay, pakasaman na ako. Sir JP, linawin lang natin na wala pang formal na reklamo, even kaso against Jack Arcota habang gumugulong pa ang investigasyon ng NBI Cybercrime Division. Pero bago yan, nauna nang sinampahan ng cyber libel complaint ang ilang personalidad, gaya nga ng dating broadcaster na si Jay Sonza at isa pang vlogger na si Eric Celis dahil nga rin sa pagpapakalat ng maling impormasyon kaugnay sa kalusugan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ayon sa NBI, hindi naman masama na pag-usil ang gobyerno o di kaya maglabas ka ng salong.
Kapag pinasok mo ang isang pagiging content creator, dapat nakanda ang kapal ng mukha mo at tibay ng loob mo. Isipin mo yung ina-upload mo, yung pangarap mo. Let's go. Kapag pinasok mo ang isang...
Complaints ko. Kaya naman ako sa iyo, Dok. I-hanger mo nga yung mga damit ko. Yung pag-uwi sa damit ko ba? Dok, hindi man ito ganito ba? Dok, sigurahan mo nga yung bako. Dok, ba't yan ang gamit mo?
Guys, totoong makalit.
Tatanggap na ako sa trabaho. Diba? Sige na, may malilit na ako eh. Nagkasabi na ako. Okay, ay mga kapilo. Mating pa ako. Yung empleyado dito, mas mabilis na. Hindi mo yung may kaya na to, kasi sabi maganda daw dito eh. Sabi, maganda na Lord, galing na sabi siya.
Okay.